Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and today I am going to be making resin charms for the very first time. Okay, so I am finished with the first part. Originally I was going to just do these first 6, but I didn't want to waste the leftover resin I had, so I just improvised with these last 3. It's stickier than what I never imagined what it would feel like, but it's pretty sticky. Even with my gloves on, it was still sticky. This is the final look. For some reason, these letters kept moving. That's why I kept adjusting them. I'm not sure why, but yeah, these are the final ones, and it's 5:48, which means, well, actually, a lot of people say wait 24 hours, but the instructions in this box says about 8 to 12 hours in the summer. So, but I will, leave it alone for longer just to be safe. So I will see you tomorrow with the end results. Hi guys, it's the next day. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because quarantine. Anyways, so it's the next day. I didn't wait full 24 hours. It's 12 o'clock, so you saw me demold the hearts, and honestly, I wasn't surprised about some of them. So these ones, the letters, I knew that they were gonna be messed up because they, for some reason, wouldn't stop moving in the mold. If you remember, I had to keep poking at it, and I was looking at this one and I realized that I put it upside down. Well, just the W, it was upside down. I tried fixing this L so many times, I don't know. And then I was so mad because I liked this one, and I realized the C was backwards, and there's nothing I can do. Also, I realized I should have added a second layer to the back because I know you can't feel it, but imagine you're feeling like the confetti, whatever this is. It should have had, sorry, my dog is playing. It should have had like an additional layer. Also, I don't know if you can see it, like if I hold it like this, I don't really know. The hearts aren't as deep as I've seen other people do it. So I think that's why. I think the beads are just not, I think they're too big for a heart this wide. It's just too thin. So that's probably why I was having issues with it, trying to push it down. Or I guess I could have done like the, I guess I could have curved the player. I don't know, whatever. But at least I know, other than that, it's not too terrible. The stickers, these didn't sound terrible. Like, they feel good. They feel soft. It definitely molded nicely. I knew I had a little bit of residue, so that's something you have to keep in mind, to be careful so you don't get like stuff you don't want in the other molds. But I don't know how I feel about seeing like the tape in the molds. I feel like between these two, this one is better, just because like the white kind of contrasts, and I feel like this just, oops, they're kind of slippery. I feel like this just blends. I don't know, but the color is nice. I didn't put that many drops in, so maybe that's why it's not as dark. But I really like this, like, what's it called? What's it called? I really, oh my god, it's not blue. It begins with a T. I'm blanking out. I'm so blanking out. It doesn't even have it on here, but this color, it begins with a T. Turquoise. Why can't I think of the word? Anyways, I don't know. This is embarrassing. I can't. I know what the word is, but for some reason I'm blanking out. But this color is turquoise? Turquoise? That word? I don't know. But this color, that's pretty nice. I like how light it is. And then the orange color, I usually don't like orange, but compared to, oh wait, no. See, I didn't put any color in this. This is just the orange glitter, and then this is the orange nail polish, so it did make a little difference, but I like the lighter look. And then these actually came out really, really nice. I love this one. I really do. I wish I put another layer. I kept looking at it. I knew it looked a little too short, but I kept thinking, oh, it's fine. I should have put another layer, because if I had put another layer in the back where I wouldn't feel the glitter, this one would have been perfect and the best one. So it just, I really like the combination of like the glitters and with the sticker. So this type of sticker is a metallic sticker. So compared to these stickers, which I don't know what you would call them, they're just stickers, metallic stickers are better in my opinion. And then this is the one of the ones that I had improvised. I think the color, I think it's not bad. I maybe I should have used like the orange color to kind of make the sticker pop a little bit, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't know what this thing is on the back, to be honest. I don't really know. And then the sea glass one. I'm glad the sea glass worked. Maybe I should have, I don't know. I feel like I should have added something like one of the flakes or something in the background to make them pop, or I don't know if just the clear look is good because it is sea glass. I don't really know, but I'm glad that the sea glass actually, survived. It doesn't look like there's any much of an issue, so that's pretty cool. Maybe I could have at least colored the mold, the resin, but I don't know, it's not bad. And then these last two where I just had to do something. Yeah, I think, one, I overflowed the mold, so there absolutely wasn't any room for any of the, for a second layer, because you see it's chipping out on the side. I don't even know if I can just pull that off. Well, I kind of can. But like if you feel it, it's just, yeah. So if, and then, what is that? I don't know what that is. And then this one is just this one. I liked the combination of the two colors, though I feel like I should have made the orange a little bit more darker so you can like see it better. Because, oh, I don't know, maybe that's so excuse me, maybe that subtleness is nice. I don't know. But yeah, so now I know when I'm filling the molds, the first base has to be pretty thin enough to fit whatever I'm putting in, and to actually leave enough space after I add like the glitter and stuff for a second mold. I mean, I've seen people do it. I guess I just blanked and forgot, or I didn't realize how thin these are, because these are thin. So if you get these heart ones, the specific ones I got, and I'll link everything I got in the bio, these ones are pretty thin, so keep in mind. Yeah, so these are all my charms. So I'm definitely not disappointed. Obviously, like I said, it was a test run. I'm really excited to start experimenting more. I'm still waiting for my keychain rings to come in, and I did some research on like coloring, so like the alcohol inks. So I definitely hope to get some of those so I can experiment more, and maybe some dried flowers, so I have more of a range. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this, if you're a beginner or someone who's interested, helps give some insight on what this process is and looks like, and I hope it inspires you to make your own. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.